So one of the most interesting, intriguing, and perhaps difficult to comprehend concepts in RC4 custom pixel profiling is keyframes and how keyframes are used to create pixel displays of a much larger size. So what I've done here is I have a row of pixels that is running in a traditional manner. So this is, none of them are on yet, so I'm explaining what we're going to see. The bottom line is every pixel is a red, green, blue across one DMX universe. So in this case, because it's wireless, our one wireless universe is mapped entirely across there. So I'm going to go and pull up one simple keyframe. And this keyframe starts at, I'm going to look at our computer, starts at DMX channel 100 in this universe. So here we now have a keyframe. If you do some quick math and realize channel 1 is over there, each pixel is 3 channels, this is where DMX channel 100 begins. And there are 21 pixels in this keyframe, and that's a number that I just made up. You can make it any length you want. In fact, I think 60 pixels is one of the best choices to use for creating a keyframe. But when I show a smaller number like 21, it helps me emphasize that I can do many keyframes in a universe. So if I were going to do this again with another string, I might make a keyframe that's in a few channels after that, like this. Or to pick something that looks a little different, there we go. So now this is 2 keyframes running in the same universe. This is only 9 pixels long. Now the magic is when the DMX Pix takes that block of channels, which we've set up with configurations, it knows what channel to start, how many pixels long it is, and it knows how many pixels in hardware to control based on 1 pixel in the profile. So once again, if we look at the computer settings, we've done a spread or a group setting of 10. So 1 pixel in the keyframe is going to become 10 pixels in the string that's being driven by the Pix. So let's plug that in now. And here's what we have. This is a fascinating expansion of this. It is a beautiful look. I hope you can see the color. This not only is 170 pixels created out of 21, it's 500 pixels created out of 21, because the driver doing all the work to do the repeats and repetition goes all the way to its sort of end total pixel count. So if I were to take another strip of this same pixel material and connect it on at the end with a connector, I'd get another 170. And then I could do that again and continue to add till I get out to 500. Now remember, I'm creating the keyframe. So back at my console, this isn't a pattern that's in the device. I can switch to something completely different. Now the replication methods, the groupings, the key parameters that make the pattern extend down long lengths, we have set those. Those are features that we'll learn about in the next videos. But this, I think, is the key you need to grasp. What is a keyframe? It's a range of channels that you then control from your console. That's your effect zone. And then what is custom pixel profiling? It's how the box takes your keyframe and does this to it.